Let's do a quick review of Think Central Homework Lesson 3.3. Again, we are focusing on multiplying by fractions and unit fractions. Problem number 1, Farmer Smith has 5 acres of land, and she plows 1/4 of her land. Choose the drawing that shows the part of the land that she plows. So the most important thing here is she has 5 acres. So let's look for a model that has 5 acres in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So no, 4 and 3. So the only one that really makes any sense is A. But let's look at this further. If she plows 1/4 of it, so she's going to plow 1/4 of this acre, and 1/4 of this acre, 1/4 of this acre, 1/4 of this acre, and 1/4 of this acre. So she is plowing 1/4 of each acre. And if I do the multiplication here, 1/4 of 5 is going to be 5/4. So she is going to plow 1 1/4 acre. Even though they didn't ask us to solve it, that would be how much land she has plowed altogether. Alright, so Olga's walking 7 blocks to school. Her friend Lewis walks only 1/5 of that distance. Remember, of means multiply. How many blocks does Lewis walk? So if I want to use a number line like this, the 7 blocks, now he's going to go 1/5 of that. So if I do comparison bar, I'm going to end up with something that looks like this, 1/5. So he's going to go that far. We don't really know, but the way that I look at this is if let's just do 1/5 of each block. So he does 1/5 of this block here, and another 1/5 here, 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 and another 1/5 there. So if he did 1/5 of every block, he would end up walking 7/5 of the way there, or that would be 1 2/5. So now let's check this with our multiplication. So what is 1/5 of 7? And you can see there that that's going to equal 7/5, or 1 2/5 blocks. Again, I'll reiterate that if you take the unit fraction of each part and add them up, you end up with the total. And addition, repeated addition equals multiplication. So that's 2 ways you could solve it. So it asks us again to choose the model that best represents multiplying 1/3 and 8. So it's 1/3 of 8. So you can see that for some reason A is 2/3 of each part. So that doesn't look accurate to me because we're looking for only 1/3. So B is 1/3 of 1, 1/3 of 2, 1/3 of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 1/3 of 8. And 8 times 1/3 is 8/3. And you simplify that to 2 2/3. So if you added up all these thirds, you'd end up with 8/3 or 2 2/3. And keep studying, do the step-by-step and view example if you are unsure of these, and definitely ask for help.